Hey friends, this is Harold the Giant Loop, and I just wanted to remind you real quickly, I was so excited to get out and put some miles on our new Husky that I didn't really take the 30 minutes to cut some pieces of our clear vinyl film to protect the contact areas where the tank bag contacts the plastics. We say right in the instructions for our products, like, hey, even one ride is enough to kind of buff your plastics. Well, here in Central Oregon, we have this super fine volcanic ash dust. And, this is not a problem that's unique to Giant Loop. It's anything that's making contact. Those fine dust particles just sit in there vibrating, and they literally grind themselves into the plastic to the point that they can't really come back out again. So I didn't follow our own advice. I didn't do it before I went riding. And so now, it's already basically too late to keep everything in pristine condition. So today I just took a couple minutes to cut a couple little pieces here, in the places where the saddlebag harness is actually making contact, just to protect the shiny new plastics. Now, honestly, here at Giant Loop, we're a little bit more of the mindset that dirt bikes are tools, not jewels. And so I don't really care about keeping it perfectly shiny. Some of you do. And if you do, this is the simple fix, vinyl protective film. We sell it in a package of 3 sheets. I only needed a fraction of 1 sheet to provide adequate protection for the tank bag area. So go light, go fast, go far, get out and ride.